Today I want to do a classic Twiggy Eye. I've started with my full face already on so we can really highlight how that goes. So, classic Twiggy, go. I'm using my Glam palette by Illuminati, and it's got a really nice blue in here. It's called Rye Rye. So we're gonna put this on our finger. No fancy brushes today. And just put that on the lid. Twiggy's looks always had a soft purple or a soft yellow or this baby blue color. Always real nice soft pastel colors. So I did not use any type of lid primer because we don't want that to overpower the rest of the look. A little bit more blue. Alright, looking good. We're not going to put color on the bottom half of the eye. We're going to keep all that color on top so that we can do those fake drawn-on lashes, that iconic drawn-on lash. But first, what we're going to do is draw that line. Go in with a black pencil, eyeliner pencil. This is an El Maquillage, just like the foundation I use. So we're going to draw this line. It's a very bold, very apparent line. We're not hiding anything with this. I'm going to go over that with my liquid Araceli liner. Oh, that looks good, girl. Okay, we're going to do it one more time on the other side, and let's try to make it match. Close enough. Let's hit that again with the Araceli liquid liner. I'm going to start from the other side this time. It definitely, the eyeliner flows a little bit better going this way. Okay, that is harder than it looks. But luckily you can take it off and start over again if you need to. So now I'm going to do my waterline with this gel ColourPop liner. They're awesome, and be cautious. I love the way that brightens up the eye and just makes it look humongous. So now we're going to do a little bit of eyeliner with the e.l.f. Intense Ink eyeliner. With this look, we're just going to frame the eyelid with the liner. We're not going to do too much of a wing. My eye's twitching. Fight the urge to do the wing. That's hard. Okay, so we've done our liner. Now what we're going to do is add those bottom drawn-in lashes before we do our mascara and our falsies. So with this, I'm going to go back to the Araceli liquid liner. It's got a thinner tip than that e.l.f. one, and it's going to make really nice little ticks under the eye there. You're doing almost the stamping motion like you would with the wingtip, but downward on that lash line. Be careful. Twitches again. This side is our A+ student over here. He is doing the most. Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to hit it with our Lash Princess, and then we're going to pick out some lashes. Magnetic eyeliner, and I'm going to pick a pair of really separated lashes that kind of match the bottom drawn-in lash. Alright, that should be dry. I'm going to set these lashes on. Voila, magnetic eyelash. And voila, magnetic eyelash. And there she is, the Classic Twiggy. Thank you. Tyra taught me how to smile.